Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I am going to go through, this is a leftover magenta, and I'm actually going to do kind of a silent video until the end when I show you. We've got some TLP Athena right there, but at the end we will be sure to go over the wet results and the dried results. So I will see you at the end of the video. Oh, and I'm going to put some tunes on. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. See you there.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. The doctor says take some pills, but this is not how it's supposed to feel. Upside down and in and out, I guess I have to take a break. Get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. I try to work.
Okay, so yes, I had to just come back on and talk for a second. So I am really in love with the background that I got. I know the TLP Athena mixed with the Bordeaux red always creates this pinky and the magenta. There's a little bit of magenta, and I love this color palette together. It's amazing. And when I'm blowing, of course, I've got my Puffy 2000. I can't live without him. And you can get Puffy at pourscraperepeat.com. I am very, very lucky to have gotten Puffy in the earlier years because he's made out of a different tubing than the last Puffy that I got. And I think it's because they discontinued this type of tubing and he's a little bit more flexible. But when I'm blowing these flowers out, with the paints being a little bit thinner, you saw that I used some Mondo Llama paints, and those are extremely thin, or maybe not as much pigment in them. It just allows me to do a lot more with the flowers. So you've got to balance your thinness on the thin paint on the canvas with enough paint so that you don't have bare spots, obviously. But oh my goodness, I just wanted to come on, and sometimes I just never know what I'm going to do, and I really want to recreate this on a large canvas. It doesn't even have to be the same colors, but the flowers held their shape. What you see right here is how they dried. A little bit more vibrant when I put the varnish on them. But anyway, I promised music, so I'll put some music back on, but I'll see you at the wet results. See you there. go down for a close-up. Oh my goodness. I love experimenting with different swipe colors. This is beautiful. So this was Charvin Pink, Julia Pink, and Bordeaux Red. That was my swipe colors. And I just love this background. This is so pretty. Go down. This will go in a black frame. This is really my favorite canvas for these flower pops. I just think they're so lovely. They go great in kitchens and bathrooms, and that's what a lot of people tell me. So, oh my gosh, look at that there. The cells. I really am in love with these flowers. They just took on their own shape and character. Okay, so let me know what you think. I'm going to show you the dried results in a black frame. I cannot wait to show you how this turned out. I will see you there. Okay, here it is. I am thrilled with the end results, and I want to say a big thank you to the client that purchased this. I am so humbled that you have it in your home. I'm sorry it took me a minute. You bought it before I got the video out, but I did want to say thank you, and I hope to hear from you. Email me, and I'd love to see pictures where you have it hanging in your home. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. I will see you on the next one. Take care, and till next time.